What's going on, guys? Steph J. Vaughn here. Can you tell I'm excited about this pickup? Can you tell, man? Can you tell? Don't worry, I still got love for you, man. Still got love for you. Can you tell, man? Most definitely you can. Electric Volt Xbox Series X controller, man. Let's get right into this, Beautiful lime green, or I'm sorry, electric volt color right here. I like to call this the highlighter yellow, my favorite, saying it just like that. More beautiful pictures on the back, just some extra stuff right here that you already know because you playing Xbox. You know what's going on, man. Let's get it. Hybrid D-pad controller, share button, Xbox Bluetooth, texture grip. I'm a little disappointed by something. I'm gonna tell you a little bit what that is as soon as we open this bad boy up. Lets you know what comes in the controller or what comes in the box. You got controller, batteries, and then what it's good for. Series X, Xbox One, Windows 10, Android, iOS. Let's go, man. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up, So you got the beautiful little pull tab right here. Let's see if I can get this on the first one with this video. This will be a first, guys, if I did this. Oh my goodness, thank you, guys. I was able to do it. First try, man. Let's go. No other stickers or anything that we gotta pull. So let's just go ahead and lift this up in all our glory. All right, man, there we go right there. Beautiful as can be, man. The Xbox Series X in that electric volt colorway, man. This colorway is sick, man. It's my all-time favorite color, man. I'm really, really happy to get my hands on this, man. You can tell I'm even shaking a little bit, So let's go ahead and pull her out. Oh my goodness, man. This is so gorgeous. This is so gorgeous, guys. I don't know if you can see this. Now, to tell you what I'm disappointed about, come on, Xbox. $65 for the controller, man. Let's throw Volt all the way around this thing, man. Let's get the colorway all the way around. Even if you look at the Shock Blue one, like it's the white on the back, man. Like it's slick for some reason, I guess, but I need the Shock Blue or the electric Volt all the way around. And for that one right there, Shock Blue all the way around. I didn't forget you, buddy. But this is sick, man. You see, you got the Xbox the XY B&A right here. Matches the same color as the skin. The electric Volt X for the Xbox button. This directional D-pad, man. I really, really like this. This thing is sick, guys. Let's see what else comes in our box. So we got some AA batteries. Oh, shouts out Duracell. Not for resale. Sit those down, guys, and let's see what else comes into the box. So we got some paperwork. Of course, you guys are going to read this. I know you're really looking forward to all this. Get rid of it. But then we also got a 14-day Ultimate Game Pass. So I'm going to throw this in for you guys right there. Be sure to give us a like and subscribe to the channel, man. 14 days. There you go. Let's get into gaming. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. Back into the box, man. Or into our controller right here, This controller is sick, man. This controller is sick. So we got our Volt controller right here, man. This thing is sick. Not too much to tell you other than I know you're gonna like this. If you like this colorway, shot me a line in the description or shot me a holler below in the comment section. If you like the electric Volt better or the Shock Blue, let me know. I wasn't able to get the red one, but you know what? I'm not worried about it. Limited edition. I got the electric Volt, I got the Shock Blue, and you got the channel right here with Steph. Appreciate all the love, guys. And again, this is our quick unboxing of the electric Volt colorway for the Xbox Series X and S controller, man. And until the next video, let's get it.